All right, when the bike came in, it was slightly rubbing, the fender stay was slightly rubbing on the side of the tire. So I adjusted it just a little bit out to clear, and it clears nicely. Okay, unfortunately, as I rolled the bike around the shop, it suddenly started rubbing on the right side of the tire. And I said, gee willikers, that doesn't seem right. Why would it do that? I mean, should be enough clearance there. If you zoom in, it's got a nice little gap there. Okay. So I moved it out a little bit. Now we have good clearance. And over on this side, let's see if I can zoom in here. We've got, let's see, can I get clear? Can I get a focus? There. Let's see. Well, we got clearance. Clearance, but it's close. Now, the problem is, if it's a problem, you're riding a bike like this just fine. I don't know that you've had any handling problems, so I'm not going to say about that. But what I did notice is I'm going to spin this wheel and show you that the rim is actually bent. Whether or not you want to address it, that's up to you. So I'm going to try to spin this thing. Actually, I'm going to get the tripod because I can't hold it and spin it. All right, I'm going to spin the wheel and show you the rim where it's bent. Watch right here. The grinding noise, grinding, is actually just the brake pucks in here, just slightly rubbing the brake disc. Clearance we've got, and over here, clearance we have. A little tighter on this side than the other, but clearance is clearance. So, sorry to bounce you around. Let me show you the rim on this one as I spin it. So slightly bent over here, right there. You can see it. So apparently a hard hit slightly bent the rim. The wheel shop downtown might be able to straighten it. We can ask them, or you can just ride the bike if it doesn't seem to affect your handling. We'll talk about it and decide what to do.